This is me when I search for a channel on the radio.
Like doing them as a soap opera. I saw the...
The living room on North 60, Dayton's original hotspot, next door to Naughty and Nice.
Help, Dayton! Owner BMW Dayton.
Staring at the ceiling in the dark, same old empty feeling in your heart. 'Cause love comes slow and it goes so fast. Will you feel when you fall asleep?
But it works at exit 59 up.
$99.9, y'all! The way you walk, the way... I have no idea for my next video. I'm gonna post a video of me dancing to... God, turn down. I'm gonna post a video of me dancing to Something About the Boy by Little Mix. Yeah. Subscribe to this video. Give it a thumbs up. Or thumbs up. Ooh, follow me on Twitter. My name is Madison Loves Finers with capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase. You get the point. And my username is Madison Horn 135. Okay. Love you guys.